everyone, it's Delana again. I hope you have enjoyed my other videos. Today I'm going to do something very simple. I like simple and I like to save money. I don't know if you have purchased any vanilla extract lately, but it is so expensive. The good thing is it's very easy to make and it will last you literally for years. So what you need to do is purchase some vanilla beans. Now I purchased the Madagascar. There are other flavors. There's a Tahitian and, I can't remember the other ones. But my favorite is the Madagascar. And there's also two kind of values of vanilla beans. There's an A and a B. The A is a little more pure, so it will actually ferment faster. And there's also a B, nothing's wrong with the B, and it's going to be cheaper. So I just got this in the mail. So I'm gonna open my vanilla beans. And if you're like me, you're gonna be surprised at how small they are. So let's see if we can get this open. Okay, now this is a package of 10. The other thing that you need is vodka. Some of you may have this on hand. I personally do not. You want to use vodka that is at least 70 proof, which means it's 35% alcohol or higher. Now, I have been told that you need to buy the most expensive vodka you can find. And I've also been told you can buy the cheapest. So this time I actually went with a very cheap one. Never had this before. It's even in a plastic bottle, so that's kind of nice. So these are the only 2 ingredients you need. So what you need to do with your vanilla beans, it's a little bit tedious, but you want to cut right down the center and open up the bean. Some people scrape the stuff out. I don't. I just want to open up my bean so all those wonderful flavors can be exposed. The next thing that you want to do is slice them. This is what I did. You don't have to slice them, but slice them diagonally. So again, we'll get some better fermenting. And then you just put the pieces in your vodka. When you have the grade A vanilla beans, they will ferment faster, like I mentioned earlier. I personally prefer to keep mine fermenting for a minimum of 6 months. Not everyone does that. But all you're going to do is drop your little pieces in here. Of course, I will do the rest of my beans. And then you just give it a shake. Now, it's not going to do anything right now. And you guys know I love to shake it. So shake it, baby. So for the first, about once a week for the first couple weeks, you might want to shake it periodically. And then, after it is fermented, it will look like this. Now, this is a very expensive vodka that I purchased because it was the first one I ever did. And I have had this sitting since February the 5th of 2020. So let's see how it smells. Oh my gosh, that smells heavenly. I wish you guys were here to smell it. So I'm going to give this as Christmas gifts and birthday gifts this year. So I purchased these cute little bottles. You can purchase them almost anywhere. And then just pour your vanilla into your little bottles. The thing is, before you use all of it, you might get it down to about here. You can add some more vodka and keep the same beans in there, and it just keeps working. A lot of people have the same vanilla extract that they have literally had for 10 plus years. So it's just not expensive at all to do, and you can decorate your bottles all different kinds of way. And so anyway, that's all you have to do. Split your vanilla beans, put them in your vodka, shake it, and let it sit. Thanks so much. See you later.